Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make your shaving routine a luxurious experience, the Truly Beauty Shaving Set. If you're someone who's tired of the usual shaving creams and body butters, this might just be the kit you've been waiting for. We'll be covering everything from how it performs to whether it really lives up to its claims. Let's get into it. The Truly Beauty Shaving Set includes a trio of items designed to transform your skincare routine. First up, we've got a shaving cream formulated specifically for women, followed by a shave scrub, and rounding out the set, a nourishing body butter. Each product is packed with skin-loving ingredients meant to repair and brighten, perfect for those with dry skin. The scent is meant to be refreshing with a focus on body brightening benefits. It's all housed in a set that feels like it was created to pamper your skin, all while ensuring you're left with a smooth and moisturized finish. Now let's talk about how these products performed in real-world testing. The shaving cream is smooth and rich, making for a comfortable shave without that dreaded dryness afterward. It provides enough slip for a close shave while hydrating the skin, which is key for those with dry skin like myself. The shave scrub works as a pre-shave treatment, exfoliating the skin and ensuring that you're not shaving over any dead skin. The scrub isn't overly abrasive, but it does an excellent job of prepping the skin. Finally, the body butter. This is the star of the show. It absorbs well without feeling greasy, leaving skin feeling soft and looking bright. I was impressed with how nourished my skin felt post-shave, and the scent lingered just enough to feel fresh but not overpowering. That said, there are a couple of things to consider. The shaving cream, while effective, can feel a bit heavy if you're used to a lighter, foamy lather. It takes a little extra effort to spread it out, but the payoff is smooth, moisturized skin. The shave scrub, while effective, isn't as gritty as some other scrubs I've used, which might not be ideal for people who prefer a more intense exfoliation before shaving. Lastly, while the body butter is fantastic, I'd have liked it to absorb just a touch quicker, as it takes a minute to fully sink into the skin. So, how does this set stack up in terms of value for money? At its price point, it's definitely more on the premium side, but it does offer a complete shaving regimen. The quality of the products is solid, and the convenience of having everything in one set is a bonus. Whether it's worth the price depends on how much you prioritize skincare in your shaving routine. If you're looking to step up your self-care game with products that deliver a high-end experience, it's a solid investment. When comparing this set to other shaving kits on the market, there are some high-quality options. But what sets this apart is the focus on hydration and brightening. Many other shaving kits focus solely on the shave itself, but Truly has added an extra layer of skincare. That said, if you're after something more budget-friendly, there are options that offer similar basic shaving performance, but may not have the same level of added skincare benefits. The build quality of each product feels solid. The containers are sturdy, and each item has a premium feel. None of the products feel like they'll break down easily with regular use. In terms of longevity, I've only had the chance to test this for a few weeks, but given how the products are performing now, I'd expect them to last for a good while with regular use. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out personally, but Truly has a reputation for offering solid customer service. If you were to experience any issues, I'd expect a helpful response based on the brand's reputation. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other shaving sets that are equally effective, though they might not be as specialized in skin repair or brightening. Brands like Tree Hut and Billy offer strong performance, but the Truly set has a bit more of a luxury vibe with its added skincare benefits. To wrap it up, the Truly Beauty Shaving Set delivers on its promises of providing a comfortable shave while giving your skin the hydration and nourishment it needs. While the price is higher than some drugstore alternatives, the quality, convenience, and skincare benefits make it a worthy investment if you want to level up your shaving routine. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on more beauty finds. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this set or if you have any questions. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, beauty doesn't have to be complicated, just beautyistic. See you next time.